Hey health fanatics and fruit lovers! Are you ready to unlock the secret power of a fruit that's not just delicious, but an absolute game changer for your health? Forget your superfood powders and fancy supplements. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing benefits of the humble, yet mighty, pineapple. Seriously, this spiky, sweet, and unbelievably juicy fruit is packed with so much goodness, it's almost unfair. And by the end of this video, you'll be running to your nearest grocery store to grab one. Let's kick things off with benefit number 1, digestion domination. Pineapple is absolutely loaded with a unique enzyme called bromelain. And this isn't just any enzyme. Bromelain is a powerful proteolytic enzyme, meaning it breaks down proteins. What does that mean for you? Smoother, more efficient digestion, reduced bloating, and a happier gut. Say goodbye to that heavy feeling after meals. Moving on to benefit number 2, inflammation annihilation. That same superstar enzyme, bromelain, is also a potent anti-inflammatory. If you suffer from joint pain, muscle soreness after a workout, or even just general inflammation, incorporating pineapple into your diet can make a huge difference. It's like a natural ibuprofen, but tastier. Benefit number 3, immune system superstar. Forget your orange juice. Pineapple is bursting with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for a strong immune system. Regular consumption can help ward off colds, flu, and keep you feeling vibrant year-round. Who needs a doctor when you have pineapple, right? Next up, benefit number 4, bone health booster. You might not think of pineapple when you think of bone health, but it's a fantastic source of manganese. This trace mineral is vital for bone formation and maintaining strong, healthy bones. So, if you want to keep those bones solid, get your pineapple fix. And for our grand finale. Benefit number 5, skin and hair glow up. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, pineapple helps in collagen synthesis. Collagen is what keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. Plus, the antioxidants in pineapple fight off free radicals that contribute to aging. Hello, natural glow. So, there you have it. From supercharging your digestion and fighting inflammation to boosting your immunity and giving you that radiant glow, pineapple truly is a powerhouse fruit. Now, you might be wondering, how can I incorporate more pineapple into my life? It's easy. Eat it fresh. Add it to smoothies. Toss it in your salads. Grill it for a delicious side, or even make a refreshing pineapple salsa. What's your favorite way to enjoy pineapple? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more amazing health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy, stay happy, and keep enjoying that incredible pineapple. See you in the next video.